Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 120, Create Categories from 2D Data Matrix. This is in response to a question asked to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I'm really happy to answer this for a good friend of mine that I met at Quantrix Seminar by the Sea for the last 2 years. His name's Anton. He's writing to me from Paris, France, and he wants to know how to do this. And this is something that I use very often in my Quantrix building. I'd probably say anytime I'm building, a model, I employ this functionality. And what he wants to know how to do is he wants to know how to take data from a 2D data matrix and make categories out of a couple of these columns. So the column nada, he wants to be a category, and type, he wants to be a category. So how do you do that? It's pretty simple, very straightforward, very powerful. What you do is you go to data, data link, create data link. Two-dimensional matrix data is my source. I use the current Quantrix model. 2D payment matrix is my source. I select column because that is where the columns are, or the items are that I want to bring back. Go ahead and select next. Look at that here, that looks fine. Then I want to bring it in as a multi-dimensional OLAP analysis. When I do that, I create a new matrix. I clear all these, and I go ahead and I say nada and type are categories. And I'm going to make these sorted, okay, just because I can. And I'm going to click next. I'm going to change my number format. I'm going to make it 0. Click next, and then I'm remove previously. And I click finish, and I should have a multi-dimensional matrix with nada and type as my categories. And you can see that's exactly what happens. When I do that, I can then switch these around. I can then use a select statement or using as statement to maybe summarize some of the data that's in this table and summarize it up here. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. Again, I use this type of functionality multiple times throughout the models that I build that are somewhat complex. Anyway, if you have any questions about Quantrix, I hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I also hope that you'll join me for another podcast of Quantrix Authority, because I truly want to make you a Quantrix master.